sorry today's videos, well, yesterday's video is getting out to you guys so late today. It was a beast to edit, for one, and two, I passed out so early last night. It's like trying to edit, and as I was editing, I was like falling asleep. No, just your body needs to sleep. Go to sleep. And I slept so hard, but that meant when I woke up this morning, I had to edit the video, and it took way longer to edit than I was expecting. I'm driving to this showing that I have while the video is uploading to YouTube. Uploading can either be very fast. I've had it only take 5 minutes before, and I've had it take over 2 hours. When I left, it said that it still needed another 50 minutes of upload time. I figured, all right, I'm gonna go show, and then by the time I get back, I'll be able to publish it, and it's just gonna have to go out later today. I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. It's kept me busy and on my toes. It's kept me very productive. Sometimes I can get sucked into scrolling on social media. I think all of us can. Having a task that has to get done every single day. I have you guys holding me accountable, watching. It's been very exhausting, but it's also been very positive. Oh, welcome back to Vlogmas day 14. Tomorrow will be 15 days. That is amazing. I can't believe I've done this for 14, soon to be 15 days. So when we get back from this showing, first things first, make sure that video goes live for y'all to see. And then I need to work on all the stuff that I've picked up over the past couple days, like getting them cleaned and priced. For the most part, I'm sticking to a content calendar for every single day. I have at least one thing planned that I want to film, and then I fill in with a bunch of other stuff, but I've moved a few things around. So today we were actually going to be reupholstering little footstools, but I looked at the pile of stuff that I have in the garage that I've recently picked up, and I was like, we need to work on getting this stuff out of here and into the booth, because it was a great sales weekend, and so I need to take some more stuff in, and I can't wait 2 weeks to do it. December started off fairly slow with the sales, but it's picked back up. A lot of you have reached out about items that I have for sale and have asked me if I have an online store. I don't have an online store. I would love to do it, but I just don't have another minute in the day to spare. I'm a realtor. I do YouTube videos. I have a booth, and along with the stuff in the booth, I mean, that takes time. Cleaning, pricing, you know, rehabbing, whatever. To also manage an online store, I don't think I could do it. There's potential for it to happen in the future, but unfortunately not anytime soon. So if you see something that you like on my videos or my Instagram, you can reach out. I'm really terrible at getting back to people right now, just because the editing and the filming of these videos takes so much time. So I'm trying to get back to people as quickly as possible. I'm sorry if you commented, emailed, or DM'd about something and I haven't reached back out yet.
Half a mile, the destination is on your right.
But for those of you that aren't doing real estate and aren't making YouTube videos, it would not be a bad idea for you guys to have an online shop. I would do it if I could. The house is gonna come up here in a second.
Destination is on your right. Arrived.
Oh. I wish you guys could see this house. You would absolutely love it. So the showing went really well. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna run by my booth because I sold a bunch yesterday, and I'm gonna remove all the hangers that are empty and just fluff it real fast. And then I got halfway here and it's like, I still need to upload the video. Shoot. But I was already halfway here, so I'm just gonna run inside real fast. Okay, well, first thing, these aren't mine. So we'll take those up to the front. Anything else? Random battery. It's not mine. Okay. Okay, I think I've done what I can do for now. We really got to go home and price and get more stuff in here. Oh, the bowl sold. So that was a good investment and a good sale. Well, it was supposed to be done uploading when I got home. It's taking its sweet time. I don't want to do another thing until this is done and uploaded for you guys. I guess I'm gonna be sitting here for like 22 minutes. Come on, let's go. When I was putting together that case table the other day, I was like, what if I did my painted design on the top of this? I know, Amanda, people like it just how it is. It's fine, leave it. But then I remembered I had these two boxes. These two very plain, could use a little spicing up boxes I got from auction the other day. They're essentially just tool chest, big, long tool chest. But how pretty would it look with a wispy design across it? I think I have to do it. It's in my head, I can see it, it's beautiful, I have to do it. And it'll keep me from breaking my laptop into 1,000 pieces right now. So we're gonna calmly do some distraction painting.
Control the elements.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's finally live. Sorry guys. I should not still be up, but I am. I'm over here just dotting away. I'm using a pencil eraser to make my little dots. And you just go boop, and you got a dot. Boop, dot. It's that easy, but it takes a while. So I think I'm gonna complete all the dotting on this piece tonight. I think I'm gonna call Vlogmas Day 14 done. I'm not thrilled with this video, so I'm not gonna do my whole regular dot and follow me here. I'm also very sorry about today's video going out so late. I'm seeing some of the comments come in about the little brass piece that I was holding. I've never heard of that. I've never read that word before. I've never heard that word before. Neither has Mike or my sister or her boyfriend. And so it wasn't a brain fart. I've never seen or heard that word before. It apparently has something to do with candles. I'm gonna try and say it one more time. Voltif. I think that's how it's supposed to be said. I will see y'all tomorrow. It'll be a better Vlogmas than today was, I promise. Bye.